Look for that girl there.
Nah, them no intro. As a social one.
Where you going?
Home.
Home? Like, you want me to drop you home?
I don't ride with strangers.
I'm not a stranger, you're looking fine. Like, I really want to drop you, you know? Just come in. Trust me, I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna do that.
Do I even know you?
I know you don't know me, but it's not like I'm doing that to you. Come on, just drop me. I think I'm going in your direction. Like, every day I see you pass by and I think, yeah, I'm not doing nothing. Just come on, man.
I don't know. I don't think I can.
Just come in. You don't trust me? Just come in. I know you don't know me or nothing, but you just come. Just believe me. I'll drop you.
Okay.
A beautiful girl like you are doing in the neighborhood. You don't know, say them people are be bad people over here, say, you know?
I live around here.
You live, so what?
I'm not far. I'm not far from where I live.
So? You know them people around here, so just snatch people off the street and there's something there.
I know, but I'm not scared.
You know, so but you know, you're very beautiful though. Like, every day me see you pass by me, I watch you, you know, like, damn, you're very beautiful.
Thank you.
Like, you're single or what?
It's complicated.
Complicated?
Yeah.
House man, I want complicated with you.
I don't know. You know, guys are like, you know.
Guys is like, I tell you, me have a girl. If me have a girl like you, I tell you, everything. You get everything me and buy you. Every week, your nails are here after done.
You got money like that?
Of course, of course. Matter of fact, you know what? What time you have to go home right now?
Not really.
Not
Are you
really?
gonna take me to do my nails?
Yeah, man, we can carry the your nails and we can bring you to shop more or something. You see it?
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Chrissy girl. I'm outside your gate. Can you come up for a second? I need to talk to you. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey. What's up?
Hold on. What's this?
That's my man's car.
Stop playing.
That's the new guy that I met a few days ago, remember? The one with the money.
What's up?
He said he's gonna do my nails and go like take me shopping
He
and
really
shit.
got
It's gonna be
money.
nice. Oh hell yeah! You know he's gonna buy me Gucci if I ask for it. Hey, no, like girl, shit.
So what happened? You're not gonna him some? Or you give? I hope you give him some.
I don't know. I'm just gonna play him, you know. So you know I don't want no dog.
I mean, he got money. You know what? What's holding you back?
I'm just 17, turning 18 this year. Like you know, I'm not ready for.
I know, but if he got money, you know.
I don't know, bro, but I need the money and you know I need the help.
Listen, if a nigga got money, keep that. He taking care of you. He taking care of your kid. What's up? So get a baby from him. And if you want to play like he's stupid, you know what's up.
That sounds good, right?
Oh,
Oh, girl, yeah.
girl.
Girl,
real quick. What's good?
Oh shit! Oh hell yeah!
You got money to take care of you. Take care of the kid.
I know. That would be
He
good.
nice.
And he's gonna take me to school every morning. You know.
You better keep that.
I know.
You better keep that. So
Yeah. So what you doing tomorrow?
I got work. So gotta make money.
So
I don't got no man to give me no money. You lucky. So that's why I'm telling you.
Mhm.
Trap him. Take him.
My phone. Oh shit. Hello. Oh hey baby, I was just talking about you. You're my friend. Yeah. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi?
Hello. Hi. Ass car. Excuse me for my vulgarness, but I love the car. I like the fact that you're nice to my best friend. You make her drive your car. Well, continue to be nice to my baby. Take good care of her. Because a best friend is a real best friend. You do her bad, I'm coming after you. All right, nice talking to you.
Oh shit. Hey baby. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna be there right now. Okay. All right. Oh girl.
Excuse me.
I gotta go. Like we're gonna
Check
party
you
tonight.
out.
Oh, baby.
Hello, do what I said to do.
I'ma do that.
Do it. Yes, I will. Give me that nookie.
Bitch, yes, bitch. Later,
Back,
baby.
back. Later, boo.
All right, see ya.
All right.
Like you? Wait, no. Tell your girl, like, yeah.
So you ready?
Yep. Wait.
What happened?
Do you get a condom?
Nah.
Damn, I can't do this. Like, wait.
What happened? What happened?
You better trap her. Come on.
Yo, it's me. You don't trust me?
I can't. I'm just a teenager.
Yo.
What if I get pregnant?
Don't worry about it. I will take care of the baby. I'll take care of everything for you. Like, you don't believe me, yo? You know I have money and all that. I will take care of you.
Alright, I trust you.
You trust me? You ready?
Bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad man, I fuck your.
Hey, Mom.
Hello, where you come from? You see the time?
Mom, I don't got time for this, Mom. I'm
What are
tired.
you? Hello, it's after 6, you know.
I was out with my friends.
And you couldn't call me? What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
Hello. Hi, hello. What's wrong with you?
I don't know. I don't feel too good.
Hello. You know
Mom, I don't feel good.
My girl, watch it. You're the mother. You're the pitney.
So what? I don't feel good.
Mom, you're pregnant?
No. Oh my God, Mom.
Outside this. Hello.
Get out my way, Mom! Stop! Oh, get out my way! I'm leaving.
My girl.
Don't you would fucking hate you! Leave me alone! You slam in my face! You bitch! Oh my God, fucking leave! I'm leaving! I'm fucking leaving!
My girl.
I'm not gonna leave my
Who you around with?
leave me alone!
Who you around with? Pack up, come, one.
I'm leaving, you bitch! I'm leaving!
Pack up, bitch.
Fuck you! Fucking bitch!
And my pum pum, you come
That's
out
why I
now.
fucking hate you,
You
whore!
Come on.
Fuck you! I'm leaving, bitch!
Come
I'm
on.
leaving!
Come on.
My man got money! My man got
Come on,
money! I'm
come on,
leaving!
please.
Get out my way! Get out my way,
Get out
bitch!
my-
Get out my way!
Hello, goodbye. And don't come back here, sir. Don't cry.
Oh, I gotta call my boyfriend. Oh, shit. Pick up, you idiot. Oh my God. Hey, can you come get me? Yeah, hold on. Yeah, my mom just kicked me out. Like, we had a fight. I don't know what happened. I just came in and then she started like yelling at me. I got so upset because I was so exhausted. I don't know what happened. I think I'm pregnant. I just vomit. And my mom, she slapped me in my face. I don't know. What? I'm pregnant. What? I need to go see a doctor. What are you telling me to go back to my mom and apologize?
Yo, what happened? Why?
Because I was like sick and we got into a fight and she kicked me out. Where's your car?
I'll take you back to the rental.
Oh my fucking God, what are you talking about?
The car I have, it was rental.
You told me that car was yours.
Yeah, I know, but don't worry. We could walk.
What am I gonna do? What am I supposed to do?
We could figure it out together. We'll figure it together. Come on,
You
baby.
told me you got a car. My nigga, you told me you got a car. You told me you got money. You told me if I get pregnant, it's not gonna be a problem.
I know I tell you all that, but yo, let me tell you what happened. I got to take by the car to the rental, and How I make money? I be real with you. How I make money? I pick a bottle off the street. Like, but come on, yo, we could still make it out of life.
Don't even touch me. Oh my god, you're such a bum.
Yo, let's go to the park.
You're such a freaking, don't, stay away from me.
Come on, yo.
Oh my god, you're disgusting.
Yo, why you going like that for?
Leave me alone, you're a fucking bum. I need to, like, my mom, she just kicked me out because she was mad. I came home late and I was like, my mom kicked me out. She kicked me out, and I got nowhere to go because I was like sick. I was exhausted. She was like yelling in my ears. We got into a fight, and now I'm out on the street. I don't know where to go. Can you just I don't know if you could just like make me, like, I can stay over by your house, like, you know, for like few days, and then I'll figure it out.
Baby, you know you're my best friend, but I can't let you stay over, love. My mom wouldn't accept that, you know?
Well, can you just ask her, just beg her, please, I beg you, like, I have nowhere to go and I'm so sick, please.
My mom is not going to accept it, my baby. I can't. But, you know, I really do love you. You're my best friend, but you know how my mom's staying. I can't let you come over. I'm sorry. But you know, I'm always going to be by your side regardless to help you get through it.
Alright, so I know it's okay, but I'll call you back later. I'm gonna figure this out, and then I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. All right. But thank you. Bye. Later.
The hard way, to listen what the mama say. Yes, you love me hard way.
Me. I'm sorry. Let me in. Open the door. Mom, I'm sorry. Please open the door. Please. I just want to talk. Please. I'm so sorry, Mom. Open the door for 1 second. Mom, can you open the door? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mom, open the freaking door. Mom, open the door. I'm sick, please. You gotta talk to me. I'm sorry. Can you just open the... Can you open the door, woman? Oh my god. Open the door! Can you open the door, please?
Move.
Can I come in?
Move from my door.
Mom, please.
Move from your door.
Mom,
You're grown. From the day say you're grown.
I'm sorry.
Take care of yourself.
Oh my god,
What am I?
I'm so sorry.
I'm in a business.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Move from my
Please,
door.
let me
Apology
go.
not accepted.
I'm sorry, mommy.
I
Please.
don't care. You're grown. Move.
Oh my god.
What's wrong with the picture then?